Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate everyone coming back. My name is Brian, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a dirty flip cup pour. It's going to be pretty easy. I got some ideas for some great colors, so I think it's going to come out well. Also, be on the lookout. Next week, I've got a video coming out. It's going to display 24 of my paintings. That's going to be up for auction. I'm doing a Facebook auction. I'm not going to do a YouTube auction. So you'll be able to head over to my Facebook art account, Brian's Upper Valley Artistry, and you'll be able to start bidding on those paintings starting July 3rd, and that is going to run through July 10th. So you'll be able to place your bids there. I'll have the instructions on each of the items that you're going to bid for. So be on the lookout for that. All right, everyone, let's get down on the canvas. We'll get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I've got is a 20 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. It's got it taped and push pinned on the back. We're gonna need about 18 ounces of paint to cover this canvas. So I'm gonna use one of these cups I got from Home Depot that's got measurements on the side. I'm gonna need about 17, so that's about right here on the cup. We are gonna do a flip cup, so it's gonna be really cool. I am using all creative inspirations except for one or two. So today I'm using creative inspirations in the Quinacridone Rose, Lemon Yellow, Cobalt Blue, the Emerald Green, and Purple Lake. I am also using one of their colors, and it's called Yellow Ochra. And I'm using DecoArt 24 karat gold, and I'm using some leftover Bordeuax Red. All my paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium, and I'm also using Artist Loft in the Soft Body White. All my paints are with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Floetrol and a little bit of water. So my paints are making a slight mound and sinking right back into the top of the cup. So what I'm gonna do is dirty pour these paints into the cup, do a flip cup, drag it along the canvas, and then tilt it out. Maybe I'll leave some negative space, maybe I won't, we shall see. All right, so I'm gonna put some white here in the bottom. And I'm gonna pour up high because I want the paint to kind of hit the bottom or hit the top and sink. Do some gold. Do some of this pink. Purple. Some of the blue. A bit of white. A little bit of the ochra. Green. And yellow. And I overfilled the cup because that's what I always do. I am going to pour a little white right over the top. Just want to see it gives that a kind of like a top layer for the paints to bubble up through. I am going to flip the cup on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll lift and pull. And then I'm going to wreck it up. Scrape the paint out of here. seeing some of the green in here, the blue, some kind of muddy yellow. What I'm gonna do is pour a little flow extender down here around the edge. I'd like to see a little more green in here, maybe. All right. Got some green in there. Let's give this a torch, get rid of the air bubbles. All right, let's start to open this up and see where we're gonna go. Okay, let's take a step back, see where we sit, and whether or not we want to tilt anything off, which I'm so very happy I put those streaks of green in. I'm loving the cells, everything is really coming up great here. Got great, beautiful streaks of lines. The Bordeuax Red is really kicking in with that purple and the pink. Got beautiful pearl cells. Got large cells with the gold. Yeah, I'm enjoying this a whole lot. I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit. This way and that way. All right. I'm gonna touch up my edges, get the corners, we're gonna torch, and then I will bring you guys in. Okay guys, here we are with the wet result. Check it out, looks fantastic. Wait till I bring you in, you see all these pearl cells and the regular size cells, just great. Really fantastic, guys, and I'm so happy with these green stripes. I'm glad I added those back in. Really gives it some contrast. All right, let's see this dry. I'll be right back. All right, here is the dried result. Check it out. Looks great. Love this. I mean, the cells are all over this piece. You know, if you ever get stumped on what you want to do, or you're getting tired of pouring the same thing, throw in a flip cup. Do a dirty flip cup. That's what this was. Came out fantastic. I'm loving the streaks of green. I'm so glad I added those in there. Those stripes of green weren't in there. The piece would just kind of be washed out, I think. So this really gives it some depth. I love the piece. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for the video. It came out great. It dried amazing. It's got a nice sheen to it. So I don't think I'm gonna put any gloss varnish on it, but it really dried amazing. I'm very happy with it. So thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget, I am going to be posting a video here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be announcing the starting date for my Facebook auction. It's going to be 1 week. It's going to start on July 3rd and it's going to run through July 10th. So be on the lookout for that video, and then you'll be able to head over to my Facebook page, Brian's Upper Valley Artistry, and you'll be able to do a bidding auction on all pieces. It's going to be 24 pieces. I'm very, very excited about it. So, all right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.